hope you are all doing well. Today, we are going to talk about paraphrasing. Interesting concept, right? Let's find out. So, paraphrasing basically is restating the piece of writing with new words and phrases while keeping the fundamental meaning same as the previous one. Let's try to understand it with an example. Imagine that this is a statement of task 2. Then this would be its rephrased version. But why we exactly need to use paraphrasing? It is actually used to avoid plagiarism. That means to avoid the repetition so that you won't lose band scores. Well, there is a strategy. You can use some paraphrasing tools. Let's understand them with the help of illustrations. You can put them into practice to ace your IELTS band scores. Bye! We will catch you later with some other exciting lessons.